Okay, so today we're going to continue with our discussion on the parts of the brain, and we're going to look specifically at neurons. And neurons are basic brain cells that communicate with each other through these electrical signals, and they develop prenatally, and they're in greater number than they're actually used. The body actually prunes those off, and we'll discuss that in a later series. But there are three main parts of the neuron. Okay, so I've invited a special guest today, and his name is Ned. And Ned is a neuron, and he wanted me to tell you a lot about his particular construct. Okay, the first thing we want to talk about is the cell body, and the cell body has a control center, and in this control center, that's where all of the communication happens for the cell, for the neuron, and all the information is received, decisions are made about that information, and then other information is sent out. So this cell body is very, very important. The way that information is received is through the dendrites. And dendrites, there are many of the dendrites in a neuron. And this is the passageway in which the information is received into the neuron and then processed, okay? And lastly, the last thing is the axon. And the axon is where the information is sent out to the other neurons in the brain, and information is distributed in that manner. So let's thank Ned for coming to school today and showing us how the neuron works.